Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can install the PuTTY on Windows 10 and 11. So first of all, open any browser, whichever you use, and on the search bar you need to type here download PuTTY and simply open the first link. So once you open the first link, the latest version of PuTTY you should able to see. So my internet is fluctuating. You need to go to the second link guys, here latest one, and from here 64-bit operating system. Most of the system has 64-bit, so click on 64-bit and simply its exe will be downloaded like this. Once the exe is downloaded, you need to go to the download folder and simply you need to run it. So let me show how you can run it and install the correct way. This one is for 32-bit, but we are going with the, just you need to click from here, or you can go to its folder location, click on next. If you want to choose the location of installer, you can choose the location, but I'm leaving as default. Okay, next. All the things I'm going as default. You can see here entire feature will be installed on the local hard drive. Just select that option. Next, and we are going to install the PuTTY successfully. You just need to click on next and your PuTTY will be installed. So this is how guys you can install the PuTTY on your Windows 10 and 11 computer. So it's prompt yes, and you can see finish. The shortcut is created and PuTTY has been installed. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. You can also join the membership. So thank you. Thanks for watching.